Thank you. The approval of a COVID-19 vaccine is providing some optimism as we work through the pandemic. But what's the difference between the different types and how exactly do they work? We're taking a look in today's News 5 Deep Dive. There are a few different vaccine candidates in the U.S., with some of the more high-profile ones being AstraZeneca, Johnson & Johnson, Moderna, and Pfizer, with the help of BioNTech. Pfizer and Moderna have received emergency use authorization from the FDA, with expectations for AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson to get approval within the first couple of months of 2021. But let's look at these two with approval. Both require 2 doses and are known as mRNA vaccines, which in not-so-science terms means this. When the vaccine goes into your arm, the mRNA will tell your muscle cells to make a spike protein. This is found on the surface on the virus that causes COVID-19. Then the cell breaks down and brings the protein to the surface. Your immune system says, "What's this doing here?" and then creates a response to build the antibodies, similar to what our bodies do to fight against the actual virus. So why does it require 2 doses? Many vaccines come with more than 1 dose. Think of the first dose as a way to build the immunity, laying the groundwork. Then the next one strengthens it to give you as much protection as possible. The second dose for the Pfizer vaccine needs to be given 3 weeks after the first. Moderna is 28 days. If Johnson & Johnson receives approval, it would only require 1 dose. A big difference between Pfizer and Moderna is the storage requirement. Pfizer needs to be stored at ultra-cold temperatures between -60 and 80 degrees Celsius. Pfizer says its vaccine is 95% effective, and Moderna says its vaccine is at 94%. Getting the vaccine out to everyone is another big part of this process. Right now, healthcare workers treating COVID-19 patients are receiving the vaccine in Phase 1A. As of Tuesday afternoon, more than 33,000 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in Colorado. Long-term care facility staff and residents are also included in Phase 1A. Phase 1B will include healthcare workers with less direct contact with COVID patients, workers in home health and dental settings, and other first responders. Higher-risk individuals are expected to receive the vaccine in the springtime, with expectations for the general public to receive it this summer.